G'day, it's Craig here, and look what Clayton's come up with now. It's our 8-gang Bluetooth switch panel. It's going to change your setup forever. Let's have a quick look at what's in the box. The KickAss Bluetooth 8-gang switch panel. Adjustable brightness, adjustable colours, can run up to 8 circuits at once, a maximum of 60 amps. You can change everything in there. It comes with a heap of labels, spare fuses. It'll be between 12 and 24 volts, so it's got you covered for you 24 volt people there. We give you everything you're going to need to do the awesome installation and make it look so neat. You're going to love it. So what I'm going to do now is run a couple of items off the switch panel and we can see it all working. Now the beauty of this setup, now that I've got it up and running, is I can now control this by using the Bluetooth app, which you can download, which actually controls all the settings, all the colours and everything like that. Now, if you don't like phones and you don't like apps, don't worry, because you can do everything through the switch panel itself, and that's all in the instructions as well. I've got a little setup here. What I've got my oven, I've got my camp lights, and I've got my water pump for my shower, all set up via the display itself. You can put your stickers on there. As you can see, you can turn your light on and off. I can turn my water pump on and off and have a shower, turn my oven on, ready to rock and roll, turn off when I want. Turn everything on and off at once, which is really, really cool. Another great thing, once again, I can do it all via the app. So once again, I can have my light on. I can have my water pump on. I can turn my oven on and off. I mean, how cool is that? Okay, so there you have it, the 8-gang Bluetooth switch controller. Comes with all the necessary hardware to help wire it up. We've chucked in everything. Head over to the website now and check them out. You ripper.